Oppo Find X3 series has leaked in detailed images. There have been several Oppo Find X3 series leaks and a couple of official teasers so far, but these images let us get a much clearer picture delivered by the reliable Evan Blass. They show the entire Find X3 lineup consisting of the Oppo Find X3 Pro, Find X3 Neo and Find X3 Lite. The latter is supposed to be a rebranded Reno 5 5G. Hey, what's up everyone, Anwar here and this is TechNewLeaks, so let's get started. Now off to the official looking images of the X3 Pro to take a detailed look at the unique camera bump. According to the source, internal information suggests that the so-called crater design is significant achievement as these panels have very low yields. The Oppo Find X3 Pro will use the new Snapdragon 888 chipset. In fact, it already posted an impressive Antutu score. Details about the phone were discovered on a cloud-based testing platform. It runs ColorOS 11.2 based on Android 11. The particular unit being tested was equipped with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The three CPU clusters are as expected for a Snapdragon 888 chip, 2.8 GHz prime core, 3 2.42 GHz big cores and 4 1.8 GHz small ones. This is the global version of the phone, by the way. The display resolution is 1440 by 3216 pixels and other leaks suggest that it will have an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 10 Hz to 120 Hz. The OLED panel will measure 6.7 inch diagonally. The main camera is listed as 16 megapixel, though this is like the post-binning resolution. It is part of a quad camera system which includes a 25x microscope macro lens. It has an LED ring around it for better illumination up close. The function of the other two modules is unknown. We have heard that the phone will use two 50 megapixel Sony sensors though. Leaked renders show a peculiar looking camera bump and screen with curved sides. The Oppo Find X3 series is expected in March, so we have a full month of leaks ahead of us. We will be looking forward to see what hardware sits inside the bump. Oppo has been consistently upping its camera game lately and we hope we are in for another exciting edition. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Oppo Find X3 Pro this year? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.